Well, hello guys. It's Furry Verdier here, and bad news, bad news, bad news. You see this? Looks like a raven. It's a crow. You guys have ever heard the term eating crow? That's right. Me, Verdier, eating crow. I sent out a video recently. It said, crinkling, center vents solved. This thing's gross. I'm not eating it. I'm sorry, I cheated. I'm afraid to have to tell you and report that the repair that I found only worked for about 5 days, and the vents have started making the weird crinkling noise again. I wanted to make sure I put this out as quickly as possible. So all of you guys, don't go getting everything fixed. I've already emailed other people. I put it on Facebook, and I put it on the Gen 3 Inside forums as well. Apparently, just replace that part is not enough to fix this problem. I don't know what we're going to do. I called the dealership. I talked to one of the tech guys, and I said, well, what's next? And he said, quite frankly, we don't know if there is anything to go next. That was not very encouraging. They said they were going to talk to their service manager and call me back. I haven't heard back yet. I'll give them a day or two. They obviously have to talk about it, and we will go from there. I intend to continue following up on this. Any of you guys who have this problem, who haven't emailed me yet, who have ever dealt with your dealerships and all that, please email me. Let me know what's going on. The more people I can put in a listing that has this, the more we have a case with Honda, just in case even the good dealer I have, the two good dealers I have, if they start giving up and it becomes a major problem. I don't intend to allow this to continue. I prefer not to. I'm sorry about the bright light. I can't figure out how to get this thing to stop being so bright. And it's not bright. It's barely lit out there. So it's something with the settings on the camera. But I intend to continue on this. Sorry about that. I intend to continue with this, and I intend to try to figure out what happened, what's going on, and how to fix this issue. So please just stay tuned with me. Let me know how things are going. And remember, Verdier is always on your side, even though he didn't follow through on eating the crow. Peace out, guys.